Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Precious Robins with Precious Pythons, and I am back with another video. For those of you that are tuning in for the first time, welcome to my channel. For those of you that are returning for another video, welcome back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell so that you can receive notifications when I do post. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to take today, Father's Day, to celebrate not only my dad, but all the amazing fathers out here. Talk a little bit about my dad, how he influenced me in this hobby, and the importance of father-daughter relationships, and then show you guys a little bit of a time lapse of a build that we're working on for my hatchling rack. So stay tuned, I'll be right back and we'll get right into the video. Alright, so before I start talking, I did want to go ahead and shout out S&P Reptiles, Stephen Portis with S&P Reptiles. He sent me this awesome shirt. I absolutely love it. It's like the softest shirt that I own right now. It's like so amazing. It's so soft. You know, like one of those t-shirts that you absolutely have to lounge in when you're feeling really, really comfortable. Like, this shirt is so soft. I absolutely love it. So thank you, Stephen. I also want to say happy Father's Day. If you don't know Stephen, all you have to know about this guy is that he is absolutely amazing. I am honored to call this guy my friend. He is one of the best fathers that I know. He has like a tribe of 6, 7 children. Him and his wife, they're like a power team, power couple, and it's just really admiring watching them in action. I absolutely love it. So happy Father's Day, Stephen. If you guys are not already following him on social media, please go check him out. He's on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. He just started his YouTube channel not too long ago, so go ahead, check that out. All right, so like I said, I just wanted to take some time and celebrate my dad, talk a little bit about him and how he influenced me in this hobby. Now, I can't say that he directly caused me to come into the hobby here recently. When I did that was more so my son, which is a different story for a different day. But as far as growing up with my dad, he was my absolute hero, just an amazing father. And I can say that a lot of my personality and the way that I am is because of him. I always looked up to him. He's the smartest person that I know and has the same love and passion for animals that I do. Growing up, the only way I can really describe him is he's like the black Ace Ventura. Like, he just loves animals. He had all the exotics growing up. I know before meeting my mom, he talked about all of the tarantulas and ferrets and birds and just all the exotic animals that he had. And of course, she's not an animal person, so he kind of had to scale that down just a bit. But while we were kids, you know, we had an iguana, we had really large tortoises and turtles, exotic fish, birds. You know, I know he's had a couple snakes in his lifetime. So, you know, it's just a lot of our personality mirrors each other. And, you know, growing up, he was just my best friend. So I wanted to be just like the man. And I was very tomboyish as well. So, you know, I had him to blame for that. I can't imagine the person that I would be today without him, you know, and I'm pretty sure you find any girl that's a daddy's girl will say the same thing about her father. You know, it's a very, that father-daughter relationship is so important. It's so impactful on, you know, how a woman will carry herself later in life, and, you know, the relationships she has with men later in life. It's just all connected, so important. So, you know, shout out to all the amazing dads out there. Happy Father's Day. Like I said, me and my dad are working on a hatchling rack build out of his workshop. So he is a master carpenter and cabinet maker, and he's excellent at what he does. And I knew that when I wanted to build a hatchling rack, not that I necessarily need one, because I don't. I actually have one. I just wanted to be able to learn how to do it just to have the skill and the talent there. So I told him that I wanted to build a rack and for my snakes, and he was so on board for it. You know, I wanted him to teach me just the fundamentals of woodwork and how to make it out of wood. He was ecstatic to help me with it. So we've been working on it here for the last 2 or 3 weeks. It might just be 2 weeks, but I wish I was anticipating getting it finished by today so that I could post the complete build and then the actual finished rack, but that's just not how it worked out. Life worked out, and it's been a very hectic couple of weeks with taking my son back and forth to tutoring and everything, so I haven't really been able to work on the project as much as I wanted to, but I do have a snippet of a time lapse of us building it, and I'm going to share that with you guys. And then I'll also go ahead and share a video of the continued finished rack, you know, once it's already built and everything. So I'm really excited about finishing it. I'm really excited about future rack builds. It's just been an amazing experience just being at the shop with them and you know, doing this together. Typically when we hang out, it's usually at his workshop anyways, but I've never like put on the tool belt and the, you know, safety glasses and like really gone to work. So this has been just a really amazing experience. And like I said, I just wanted to share it with you guys. So here's a quick peek at what we've been working on so far and a little bit of the build. I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, please. I want to hear from you guys. Again, happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there doing an amazing job with your kids. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, barbecuing, relaxing, enjoying the weekend, spending time with your family. I hope you're able to, even with all this madness going on. So I'll let you guys get back to your day and enjoy your families. Again, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. I'll see you guys next week, and thanks for watching.